Hello and welcome to the Philippines. There's a really nice two-bedroom condo for sale over on Mactan Island. Pacific Ocean crest. I mean, there's three towers there, a couple of really nice pools, roof decks up on top of these towers that are usable. And anyway, I'm going to let you listen in to the owner. He's taken a bare unit basically and put some really fine touches and furnished it real nice. So listen in.
And I will just update you a laundry and 7-Eleven and a bank,
Okay.
ATMs.
Okay.
Like in Saikyong, you know Saikyong.
Yeah.
They have also 7-Eleven.
Yeah. Yeah.
That will be the commercial building, the D building.
You know, I'm familiar with primary homes. I rented in LaGuardia Flats 1.
Yeah.
Primary.
I watch every video of you.
Oh, really?
When I eat, I watch it. I watch everything. Since I bought the house from you, I say because of your video.
Oh, wow.
I'm following you.
Yes.
3 hours free parking for guests.
Oh, okay. All right. Do you want to be in the video?
We can do anything what you want. I'm also a
Okay.
YouTuber. I'm selling cars and buying
really?
cars. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
How long do you live in the Philippines?
I'm coming and going just.
Oh,
2
okay.
weeks coming, going with my
Okay.
wife. I lived 15 years in Japan, 18 years in Germany.
Oh, really?
Now
Wow.
3 years in Turkey.
Wow.
So the next is like we plan to go to Argentina.
Oh,
Because I
wow.
make home office. I'm selling cars and parts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. And you have a roof deck
Yes.
up on the roof?
Yes.
Really?
You can go on the roof.
Oh, wow.
Title where the red bike is. It's our parking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parking spot right there. All right.
Only the parking is 800,000.
Well, that's cheap because a lot of them are getting over a million or more.
800 they want for that parking only
Okay.
for 12 square meters.
Uh-huh.
You can park a bike in the behind, the car in the front.
Okay.
It's a good spot. It's all including in this price.
Okay. All right. Nice wide hallways
Yeah. And clean, it's really clean here.
all right.
Feel free.
and a little.
That's a balcony with beach view. They have really nice beach view. And it's windy. We never use the air cons here.
Uh-huh.
So let's take a look around this two-bedroom. He's got ceiling fans, and he basically started with a bare walls, bare floor, everything bare, and he put in the flooring. So I think and he hired some quality construction people to do the installation, and he supervised a lot of that. He bought some quality, I think that Biko, I think it is, popular Turkish brand, built-in microwave and oven there. Very nice. Very rarely see something like that. And I suspect that one thing you notice with some of these units is that they've got gaps under the tiles, and uh, the tiles can break if you don't put the floors down on a real smooth surface. So I've seen that a number of places that I've lived. I've lived six condos in 8 years here in the Philippines. Anyway, nice big sink outside of the CR, and to the left you have the CR, the bathroom, and to the right side door is the shower. You've got a multi-purpose washer and dryer there, and some storage for stuff. One thing, a lot of condos do not have very much storage, and as we get into the kitchen, also you'll see that there's quite a bit of storage and counter space. One thing that is sadly lacking in so many condominiums that come with basic cabinets is, boy, you have very little counter space there, and your shower there, and I'm not sure if that's hooked up to hot water. I suspect it is already, not positive. Those mirrors, I've been in a couple of rooms with mirrors like that. Just touch a little button there and it changes the different illumination, a different type of light, low light, brighter light, and yeah, ceiling fans. Nice open, you got 60 square meters net, which comes out to 645 square feet for you who use square feet here. And for me, that's about that. That's a nice size. 50 square meters. I live in 42 square meter, one bedroom, and it works. It's okay. 50 would be a little bit more comfortable, and 60 would give you a lot more space. Just depends on how you want to use the space, how much stuff you're going to fill your space up with. And I've had to mute the volume. There was a television running and had some, I think, some copyrighted songs playing, so I've had to mute that. All the furnishings are included in the price, and he is asking 6.5 million. So all the furnishings, everything that you see, I think everything that you see, and except a couple of his personal things. So everything you see plus the parking spot, 6.5 million, which comes out to at today's exchange rate of 57 pesos to the US dollar, comes out to 114,000 US dollars, just to give you an idea at the exchange rate. And if you heard him earlier, I think he said he was going to pay most of the costs of transferring the unit to the new owner. And I'm not going to speak specifically to that because I don't want to, but I think he said that yeah, he was going to cover almost all the costs of the turnover. But you can negotiate that and speak directly with him.
All right. Did you put the flooring down?
Everything.
Okay.
This was all bare.
Oh, you bought it bare and you designed it like
yes.
this.
And the kitchen, all is from Turkey imported.
Uh-huh.
But they have in Manila also service for that from Beko.
Okay.
And yeah, I wanted to keep it in a European style, Turkish style.
Yeah, very nice design. Very open.
Style of,
open, comfortable. Asking 6.5?
6.5.
6.5.
And all transfers fee on me.
Okay, and that
and the taxes on me.
Okay.
I asked already for the prices. I paid it already off, and I didn't take the title yet because after sell I just give the title to the new.
Oh, okay.
It's
very nice. Is this induction or?
Yes.
Okay, induction.
That's also I bring from Turkey. Later I found out it's also existing in Manila, but I bring the cheaper over.
Okay.
Beko is a famous Turkish brand. Also the sponsor from FC Barcelona.
This is nice because so many of the you have counter space. You have counter space because so many they give you just a very small counter space.
That was original was like this. I cut it all down. I said I want to for Americans, Europeans, the Western people, attracting with this apartment condominium. And then the wash machine have also a dryer. It's brand new, never used.
All right.
Even I make the smart key lock.
Okay, smart key lock.
Just last week we did it. I paid 12K for that.
Oh,
it's
okay.
extremely expensive.
All right.
And up on the roof deck, each of these units has a large roof deck, which is really nice. And I've stated before, so many of these buildings, they actually have, they could use their roofs as a roof deck for their tenants, but they don't. They have them locked off, and I've been up on top of a couple that were not for the tenants' use, and they were just a mess. They really should have been cleaned up and made available. That would be a big selling point, in my opinion. Jogging, relaxing up there. Primary Homes is the developer here, and they've got several properties, housing subdivisions as well as condos. I lived in LaGuardia Flats 1. They've got, some of you have stayed in Mabolo Garden Flats. They've got LaGuardia Flats 2. One or more, I think at least 2 or more housing developments over here on Mactan Island. And looking at their list of amenities, besides their pools, they've got a gym. They've got backup generator. What else? A jogging path around the units, around the outside, I suppose. I've been in and taken video in a number of their properties, and overall I would give them a pretty good score for keeping up their properties. And they're your pools down there. His unit has ocean view, not so far from the ocean. All the resorts, just a ton of resorts. You're not very far from Gaisano Grand Mall. And just a ton of resorts over there on the east coast of Mactan Island. 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, and such. Anyway, I'm not a real estate agent, broker, salesperson. I just take videos, so I don't get involved. I'll leave his contact information in the description of the video. Jumping over to Google Maps and Cebu City here, Mandaue City, got Mactan Island here, the international airport that you're going to fly into, and very easy to get over here if you take the old bridge, the two-lane bridge here across. Just keep following that road out here, and until you use a map, till you get to this intersection here, and you take this not very far at all, and it brings you over to Royal Ocean Crest condominiums. Each time I go over to Mactan Island, and I've been living here for what, 8 years, I get a new appreciation for the area, and I spent much of this day over there, but it's a really a short ride to the airport if you want to use the airport. If you want to get ferries, there are one or more ferry piers, where you can go off to other islands over here, or you go over to Cebu Island, and there's I think at least 3 passenger ports piers over there where you can catch ferries different places, and several malls over here, and they're building more all the time, and resorts. So anyway, lots of option over here. So anyway, thanks for coming along. Stay safe, safe travels, and I'll see you next time.